How to autofill in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to use autofill in Microsoft Excel to save time and work faster. If you're tired of typing the same data again and again, this feature is a game changer. So let's dive right in. Autofills let you quickly copy data, create sequences, and fill formula without manually typing everything. Let's dive right in. Open up your Excel, and then you can create a table and then start by writing something. Let's say you want to enter a serial number, and you can type in 1 in the first cell and then 2 in the next cell. So once you have done that, it recognizes the pattern that you're trying to enter the number 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just need to select both cells, and then you'll need to drag to fill the handle. So there you go. It's as simple as that. This also works for days, like if you start with Sunday and then put in Monday, select both cells and then drag them to fill in rest of the weeks. Similarly, you can do with months like January, February, and more. But let's say if you've just entered one and then you try to drag, then it will just fill one. But don't worry, you can see an icon at the bottom. You can tap on it, and then you can tap on flash fill. So once you do that, it changes the autofill. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.